bearing is shot on the passenger side front. Let's get it up in the air. Ah, shackle links are blowing out too. This whole thing needs some work. Bearing's definitely gone. What happened to this thing? Ooh, don't have a puller for a 5-lug. Do the chopstick method. Yeah. Spindle's still good. This got hot. Spindle's still good. Outer bearing just went out. No problem, we fixy. All right, back plate's off. Looks like it'll come off pretty easy. Oh, that bearing is on there. It got hot. Can I pry it off? No, I think we're stuck. Inner portion of the front bearing came off fine. We're gonna have a little bit of a issue with the back bearing. No. Oh dang, it's all chewed up right there. How did that happen? Inner portion of that outer bearing came apart and just kept spinning inside. That's why I can't get that other bearing off. Got it. Bearing surface looks good. Seal surface still looks good. Just need to knock down some of that middle spindle surface. Inner portion of the bearing. See if new one will slide on. Good. All right, new bearing will go on just fine now. New backing plate going on. Wiring is not smashed into the backing plate. Backing plate is on and secure. All fasteners are tight. Let's go pack a hub. They had a hub in stock. I don't know why this one got dropped. Still looks okay. Need to hammer in those lug studs. Lug studs are a little out, but everything else looks good. So I'll hammer in those lug studs and then pack this hub with bearings. Regular seal. Inner bearing is a 68149. The outer bearing 44649. Got it. Inner bearing is packed. Inner bearing is on. New seal is on. Seal is flat. Outer bearing is in. Hub is packed with new bearings, new seal, new grease. Tighten down to roughly 50. That's about 50. Back it off, hand tight. Back off a 1/4 3/8 turn. Retainer cage over the top. Passenger side front. Retainer is verified. Adjust the brake out. Cannot spin. Back it off. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Put the little plug back in. And backing plate is wired. Passenger side front. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Brakes work. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap. Wiring zip tied to the U-bolt. Torque and lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. One new hub and drum customer supplied. One backing plate that I supplied. One bearing kit that I supplied. And I cleaned up the spindle. The outer portion of the bearing got inside the spindle itself. Screwed up the spindle. I was able to sand it down on the portion where the bearing does not ride. This job's done. I'm on to the next. Doing springs on this trailer, servicing the other 3 spindles. I did the front already, blown bearing on it, so I already fixed that. So I'm gonna do springs and service the other 3 spindles. Let's get to it. And U-bolt's coming off. Passenger side rear U-bolt is off. Axle's up and out of the way. Yeah, those are done. Passenger side assembly's out. These hangers are good, but the middle hanger needs to be changed out. Do a little shackle link fix, and then the rear hanger's fine. So middle one's the only one that needs to fix. All right, shackle link fix is on. Shackle link fix for the hanger is on. Other hangers are good. And springs are going in. New shackle links, new shackle bolts, new springs, and new equalizer. Let's get the U-bolts on. Rear U-bolts are on. And tightening suspension. Passenger side's tight. U-bolt's torqued. Passenger side suspension's done. Let's tear down this one and service it up. I think this is a tang washer again. Passenger side rear. brakes are good. And this grease is so good. I did this service about a year and a half ago. Everyday use. Grease is still tacky. Good stuff. Races are still good in this one. Inner bearings in, seal going in. Outer bearings in. Good, let's put it on the trailer. Tight, back off, and tight. Passenger side retainer verified. Passenger side rear, free spinning, brake is on, locked up, brake is off, back to free spinning. Passenger side brakes are adjusted, new suspension, and I need to paint that. Painted and done. Driver side's up in the air. Oh, come on. Why? Rear U-bolts are off, front U-bolts are coming off. Front U-bolts are off. There's the front bolt. Middle bolt out. A little bit worn. Hanger's fine. And driver side suspension's out. New equalizer going in. Driver side rear U-bolts are on. Driver side U-bolts are on. Shackle links and equalizers tight. And torquing U-bolts. All U-bolts torqued. Suspension on driver side's done. Let's tear down hubs. Driver side rear. Brakes look good. I don't know why they got so rusty. The magnets look good. Just everything's rusty. Was this like in a swamp? And driver side front. Same thing, a little rusty, but everything looks good. Driver side rear, retainer verified. Driver side front, retainer verified. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Driver side front, slightly rubbing. Driver side rear, rear free spinning, front free spinning. Brake is on, locked up. Come on. Oh, rear brake is not activating, so I'm gonna wire this up. Okay, this side wasn't the bad side. Let's go to the other side and wire it up. All right, this brake's not working. It is getting power, but I'm gonna change this backing plate out. All right, rear brake is off. And new brake going on. New backing plate's on. Driver side rear, retainer verified. Driver side rear, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Brake works. And torquing lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. All right, checking lights. Front marker lights are on. I got one not working on the top passenger side. Fender marker's working. Passenger side's working. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. All marker lights on rear are working. Marker light there is working. It needs a fender marker. And driver side top is working. Okay, we got two lights out, one fender off, and one top marker. I'll put that on my list for these guys. But left turn, right turn, everything works. All right, so the run on this trailer, all new bearings, new seals, new grease, all new suspension, new equalizers, new shackle links, new springs. Two lights are not working, but they're not the super important ones. I'll come back, I'll put it on my list, come back and do them. But for right now, this job's done. I'm on to the next.